Hi guys, welcome to DY Gaming. So in today's video, I'm going to buy my very first lovebird. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And Tism for 250 subs. We really appreciate it. Now let's buy my first lovebird. I swear I can't get over this setup, it's too cute. I love this Valentine's Day update soon mod. The Cupid Dragon and Lovebird are having a cute dinner date, underscore. Let's buy the lovebird. I only have 3,367 love hearts. 3 to 1. Only 1 underscore. Look at how my love hearts went from 3,367 to 967. I love it, it's so cutie. This took 4 hours, but it's worth it. Oh my god guys, it's so cute. And I will also make it neon. Anyway guys, that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I end this video, make sure to subscribe. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video, bye.